రైట్ హ్యాండ్ పెట్టుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ వన్ హ్యాండ్, దీన్ని సి అంట. బాబు ఇటు నుంచి రా, హ్యాండ్ రావాలి. ఓకే, లేదు వన్ 5 ఫింగర్లు పెట్టండి. ఓకే ఓకే, this finger is called number 1 as per the music.
1,
This is 1, this is 2,
2,
this is 3,
3,
this is 4,
4,
this is 5. Even for left hand also, this is 1. At the end, put like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5. So, kabatti first idi C, D, E, F, G. Tarvata malli A. Anything it starts from the G, C, after G it comes back to A. Okay, only we have 7 letters, not more than that. Okay, C, D, okay, C, D, E, F, G, B, again A, B, A, like that. Now from this side, put your hand here, put your hand here. Pinky is your 5, pinky is 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now yeah, always put like this. Yeah, C, D, F, G, E, G, then A, B. Adrenda. Intavaraku these 3 octane. This is called octane. In octane called 5 total, means 2 white and 2 blacks here, 3 blacks here, and you have 7 whites and 5 black keys here. Play with this. Play with this. See. 1, 2, 3, 4 and start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mali 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Again go. Do it. Again. And again. Yeah, you are doing good. Okay. I'll post this in YouTube.